In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Xero invoices. Adding a logo can give your invoices a professional touch and help reinforce your brand identity with your clients. Let's dive right in and get started with these simple steps. First, you'll need to open the Xero website in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, make sure that you're logged into your Xero account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your login credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you should see your Xero dashboard. Now that we're in, let's head over to the invoice settings. To do this, keep an eye out for the arrow pointing downwards, which you typically find on the upper menu or toolbar. This arrow often indicates a drop-down menu that holds several important options. Click on it and you'll see a variety of choices related to your account and financial settings. Within this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Invoice Settings. Clicking on this option will take you to an area of Xero where you can customize the appearance and details of your invoices. If you're managing multiple types of invoices or settings, this is where you can fine-tune them to your liking. On the Invoice Settings page, you should see an option to upload your logo. Look around carefully for a button or link that says something like Upload Logo. It's often clearly labeled and easy to find, typically positioned with other customization options for your invoices. Select this option and a new window or dialog box should pop up. In this dialog box, you'll find a button labeled Browse or something similar. Click on this button to access your computer's file directory. This allows you to locate the specific logo file you want to use. Make sure that your logo file is accessible and saved in a common image format, such as JPG or PNG, as these are often the most widely accepted formats in online platforms. Once you've clicked Browse, navigate through your folders until you find the logo you want to add to your invoices. Double-check that you've selected the correct file before proceeding to the next step. After you've highlighted your logo file, simply click Open to confirm your choice. Now comes the easy part. With your file selected, go ahead and click Upload. Xero should take a moment to process your logo, and once it's finished, your logo is successfully added to your invoice template. From now on, every invoice sent through Xero will proudly display your logo, strengthening your brand's presence. And that's it. You've now successfully added a logo to your Xero invoices. Feel free to check your invoice preview to ensure everything looks perfect. This simple addition can make a substantial difference in how your clients perceive your business. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.